Good morning, everyone. I am happy to be here, and Mr. Santosh Kumar, President TTDI, and his entire team. I congratulate all of you. That is very big event. Some mistakes can be happen, but don't mind because we are about 130 companies here under one roof. This is a big event. This is a big achievement. We should give the clappings to this TTDI. As we are the national association, we are working with the regional association. This is the regional association did and done a very fantastic job in very short time. They are working from last 2 months, leaving their own business and working for the society and working for the trade and working for the benefit of the industry. This is a starting for the regional associations. Might be in the future other associations should come forward for the benefit of the trade. Since toy trade is growing very fast, in last 2 years once import is down, the local manufacturing is scaling up. Local manufacturing is giving a more benefits to the manufacturing. More companies are coming for the manufacturing. Many distributors coming up for the distribution. This trade is have good opportunities, a golden chance for the future. So I hope this benefit can be taken by the industry, and those are willing to come in future for the manufacturing or distribution. I congratulate to all because toy industry is not now a small industry. Now it is becoming a very big industry. So everyone should come to take the benefits of this time because import is reduced. So now I had spoken 3 years back because Chennai is a center of the South India. I had a dream also and discussed with Santosh Kumar why not we target to becoming this Chennai as a South India hub, South India gateway. For the India, all the states can be covered up from the Chennai. Chennai has a good opportunity for the port also. We can increase our exports from Chennai. Many manufacturers, many companies can have a warehousing here to boost up the local market and cover up entire the South India as well as the exports. So I wish all the best of all the exhibitors, all the visitors, and my entire Thai team which is available here. I hope all the best to all of the exhibitors and thank you for the TTDI and wish the success for this expo. And now we say open this expo. Sometimes getting late, but don't mind. Cooperate with the association. We all are the industry members. We are here all to benefit of the industry. So don't mind, please, and help all the association. Thank you very much. Thank you again. Thank you.
Morning to all of you. A very hearty welcome also. It's a moment of pride for the Tamil Nadu Toy Dealer Association as this is our first expo solo. On such a big scale, we are humbled to be at the Chennai Trade Center. We have taken more than 75 solid days to get this event together. All the committee members have put a lot of hard work into this game. Hope 2 days are good enough for doing great business and growing the toy industry. The Thai Association President has spearheaded the toy industry in India from Delhi to a growth of from 5,000 crores to 15,000 crores in the last 2 years. They are targeting growth of another 15,000 crores. So they will make it about 30 to 40,000 crores within 2025, which is a great achievement, and this man along with his team has been responsible for that. He has again worked very tirelessly, very hard, given away his business almost and done this service for the whole industry to grow. I again thank all the media who have come here. I thank all the exhibitors. There are about 140 exhibitors with us. It's a big achievement. It's the biggest toy expo in India, for your information, and it's a proud moment that it is happening in Chennai. 230 plus stalls. Yes, like Mr. Ajayji said, some glitches. The wreck was the racks. Simply. So it can be corrected within a couple of hours. Yes, we apologize for this small mistake. So we overlooked a couple of things. Fine. So wish everybody to do great business. I also have to request the companies here and the retailers not to deal directly with each other, since we are the medium. They have to deal statewise. I mean, like we are distributors in the south, everybody is a distributor in every state. So that industry shouldn't go extinct. So it's a humble request. If all of you want us to be here again in this platform, it is very important the interests of all people are taken care of. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
Good morning, all of you. Both presidents have spoken very nicely, and the message was given very clearly. Except for few glitches, the rest all is going on very well, and I hope this exhibition will be a very big success. As our president is saying, request all manufacturers to go through distributors and not direct. If that happens, I don't mind having another show next year. Thank you so much.
We are from the Tamil Nadu Toy Dealer Association. We worked hard for about the last 75 days to make this expo happen. It is the biggest expo in India so far. So after this, we don't know, something big can come up. But we are blessed to have the numbers here. There are more than 130 stall exhibitors from all over India. Totally about 235 stalls. So everything from all over Tamil Nadu, we have gone person to invite retailers, to bring them to this platform. Close to 1,000 retailers are going to visit us in 2 days. We have made a lot of provisions for them, complimentary, to enjoy, do business and have fun. Atmanirbhar is such a magic word from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. From 5,000 crores 2 years back, the toy industry has grown to 15,000 crores and all set to touch 50,000 crores by the year 2025. We have already, I'm repeating myself, we have worked hard for the last 75 days. We have left all our businesses and done this. We only have a humble request from the manufacturers. Do not disturb. We need to put a D&D. You can find a hoarding outside which requests manufacturers not to deal directly with the retailers. அது பண்ணால் நம்ம தொழில் காலி ஆகிடும். ஸோ அதுக்காக நம்மளை வச்சுக்கிட்டு தொழிலை பண்ணுங்கள். எல்லாரும் நல்லபடியாக இருப்போம். எல்லாரும் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் காப்பாற்றினாங்கன்னா ஒரு ஃபேமிலியாக இருக்கலாம். ஒரு வருஷம் இங்கே இந்த கிரேட் சென்டரில் நம்ம பிஸ்னஸ் வந்து பண்ணலாம். அதுதான் சொல்ல வரேன். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.